Hi everyone. So my name is Pranav and recently I built this annoying button, and as you guys really liked it, so I thought of creating a tutorial for it. Firstly, let's understand the basic, how what we want to do, what is our goal. Right. So you can see, right, when I'm hovering over this button, it is going to right, and when we are putting it from right, it's going to left. So this will be our guiding logic. Firstly, let's jump into the HTML part. What we have a simple button. A button is also having something like ng mouse over, which is triggering a function, and in like button is inside a div which is using ng class. Ng class we use if we want to have conditional classes, and we are setting some inline css of it. I know inline css is not a best practice, but for this example I'm just giving it a width of 20%, so that when we are hovering over it, it just stays inside that 20%. It should not go here and all, because this will be our logic. Now let's see what exactly this set direction is doing. So let's jump into the client script of the widget. So first thing is, if you see, I'm setting two variables. One is the direction and one is the div css. So div css is the same one that is put on the outside div in which the button is there, right? So I'm putting it as left. Direction should be left, so when the form load, it should be like this, like you are seeing on the left. And what will be the css? It will be a default direction css, which I'll show you now. It's simply like text align equal to left. Very simple till now. Now if you see the logic of set direction, what I am doing is, like, if the direction is left, turn the direction to right, and set the div css to move right. And if the direction is right, set the direction to left and div css to move left. So that's pretty straightforward. Basically I'm reversing the things, right? And if you see the move left and move right class, this is just basically using an animation. It's saying that go from left to right and right to left. You can, I'll put a link of the animation css, like how you can utilize animation css in html, in the description, so go ahead and check that out. So that was the whole thing. It's simple. Let me now tell you how the logic is working. So when you are hovering over it, as I have set the direction as left, so now the direction has turned to right, and the css is right, that's why it moved to right. Now if you see, again when I hover over it, so that now the direction is right already, because it was set by this function before. So now it will go to this else if equal to right, and when it's right, then you can go to the left and put the css, and that's how this whole thing is working. So I'm also trying to put one more logic if you want to center align a particular button. So that's why this is else if is there. I'm going to put one else also here. So that was the whole use case. I hope you liked it, and feel free to subscribe the channel. We are almost close to 1,001,000 subscribers, and once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a very special episode for all of you. So thank you very much.